What's up, guys? Welcome back. Yeah, new vlog. Yeah, it's raining, guys. As you can see from this side, we had heavy rain today. I think okay, sorry guys, it was not heavy. It was drizzling from morning, like around 10 in the morning to yeah, to now is 5. Right now it's around yeah, it's 6 p.m. from I think 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. It has been a chilly morning. Right now it's in the evening, 6 p.m. It has been drizzling, guys, but it's a blessing also, plantation have to grow through rain and a lot of water. So yeah, guys, a beautiful day today, and I'm coming live from village grandpa's residence.
Happy birthday for grandma.
Eh?
Happy birthday for grandma.
She said happy birthday for grandma. Yeah, guys, of course we have a birthday for grandma this coming week, next week, I think. Yeah, I think today is on 19th, tomorrow 20th. That is on yeah, next week, maybe on before Christmas, I can say. Before Christmas, not before Christmas, after Christmas. 26th. Yeah, we will be having village grandmas.
Christmas, Amira is coming.
Amira is coming. Yeah, so on 26th we'll be having village grandma's birthday, and I really appreciate US grandma. That is my grandma that I only have right now. Therefore, wishing her a very happy birthday, and yeah, I really love you and respect you so much. Thank you so much for giving my mother a gift for her happy birthday. Eh?
Present for grandma, happy birthday. Next week.
Not last week, next week.
Next week is happy birthday for grandma, and you'll buy present for grandma.
You'll buy for grandma present.
You buy.
Me or you?
You.
Me.
You buy the present for grandma.
And you?
It's good.
It's good. And you?
Me.
You'll buy.
Coco is buy me dress so beautiful.
What will you buy for grandma for her birthday?
Birthday.
Yeah. You'll buy what?
Dress?
You'll buy her a dress.
No. Because I'm big.
You're big.
Eh.
No, utanunulia nini Goko birthday?
Birthday. Dress beautiful.
A dress.
Yes.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow.
And the card for grandpa and grandma.
A car.
A carb.
Cab.
Carb. Nasema kizungu.
Oh.
Carb.
Okay. Okay, guys. Maria is just trying to tell me in deep English. Karma.
Carb.
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 Wow.
Gari.
Oh, car. A car.
Carb.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's okay, guys. I don't know if you understand that, but anyway, she's Maria. Maria, you said when you grow up, you'll buy me what?
You.
Ukikuwa mkubwa utanunulia nini?
Me.
Uniambia gari.
Yeah.
Or you changed? Or you changed from Maka?
Yeah.
Huh? What will you buy me when you grow up?
Long, so beautiful, and a shirt, and shoes.
Look at the camera, mom.
And shoes. And
you told me, by the way, she always tells
car.
me like, car. See, car.
car.
Yes, a car. Yes. So she's always telling me like, when I grow up, I want to buy you a car. You village grandma and village grandpa. She always tells me that.
Yeah, but
Yes.
it's big like
Big car.
big.
Uh.
Yeah, but family. Family.
Family car.
Yes.
Oh.
Family car.
Oh, you will buy family. Family car.
No, family. Family, love your mother. Love your father. Family. I like finally. Family. Mother, father.
Okay. So guys, that is Maria. I think she's growing and she's getting to like understand everything.
Family is good.
Family is good, eh?
Yeah.
You're enjoying your family here.
Yeah.
Exactly. So when she grows day by day, she really learns a lot of things, and she's just saying that she loves his family. You love village grandma?
Village grandpa.
And village grandpa and Edu Swaga daddy.
Dad Edu Swaga Muita.
Yes.
And you?
What is my name? Me?
Maggie underscore.
Yes. And who else? Auntie?
Auntie T.
Auntie Gatti?
Auntie Gatti and Auntie T and Uncle J and my friends.
And also who else?
My friend is Amira, Amora, Mary.
Yeah, your friends.
Yeah.
You want them to come home and say hi to you.
Yeah.
And say hi to
Amira.
Amira. Say hi. What do you say to Amira?
Amira.
Yeah, it's okay. So and what do you say to also say hi to say hi to say hi to Auntie Gatti and Auntie Vanessa
and Auntie Mick.
Yes. And
Auntie Adrina.
Say hi first to Auntie Vanessa.
Hello, Auntie Vanessa. Love you.
Wow. And Auntie Gatti.
Hello, Auntie Gatti. I love you.
Yeah. So guys, this is Maria. If you're watching me, guys, she's so loving and so caring to everyone.
Star.
You're a star. Hey, high five. Yeah, that is Maria, my star. Yes, and say hi also to Uncle J.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah, so guys, I don't want to give her time to Maria, but anyway, she's grown and I'm proud that she's learning. She's learning so much, and she's so caring, especially to her grandma and his grandpa. She's so caring to them, you can't even touch them like yeah. So I really appreciate that. Through her, she's learning through a very spiritual family and a very loving family. Yeah, I'm really privileged to be in this family, I can say. And yeah, guys, today you said, Maria, today you said my cape is Kofia Ikwad Ninzu.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Very beautiful. My cape is?
Please.
Say my cape is very beautiful.
Your cape is beautiful.
Wow. Wow. So in the morning when I woke up and I was putting on this cape and I was going out, and Maria told me, "Hey, Uncle, your cape is beautiful." I was like, wow, wow, wow. So thank you so much, guys. What do you think about the cape? Yeah. So guys, I was having a conversation with Maria here, but also maybe I don't know if he will make it here, but I have a friend who will be here. He even is here. So I have a friend who will be here, and we're going to converse about something which is very, I think, something that will help in our village and at large. So a friend is.
Yeah.
I was talking about you and you are here.
Okay.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
You can just come in, bro.
Okay.
Toka Maria. Toka Maria Nkwa Kae. Yeah.
Thank you for your welcoming.
Yeah. Well, welcome.
Okay, so guys, welcome to Maja KE YouTube channel. My name is Fellow the Boy, and I'm very grateful for hosting me in this YouTube channel.
You're welcome.
And guys, today it is a very grateful evening that we appreciate God for meeting here while we are still okay, healthy this way. And also thank you very much for the match and the love and the support that you are giving us. Those one who are at different places in the country, and also in the world. It depends wherever you are watching the video from. So we appreciate a lot for being with us since we started this journey of YouTube up to right now where we are heading to. We have been with you, and we are appreciating God that for all of the months that we have been working, you guys, you have been showing that cooperation and participating in anything that we have been running and doing. So we appreciate you a lot, and we are praying God also to be with you and to be with all of your families right now as we are entering this year and approaching for the festival season that will be coming after some days. Already we are in December, but the celebration days there they are not yet reached. So
we are almost.
We are almost. Around 3 days too. But God, we are asking God to be with us and protect us, because this is the days that you find the devil is trying to come and interfere with the work of Jesus. But we know that God is going to be with everyone, every families, all those who are traveling from different places to come and meet their families. We are praying for them that the journey to be merciful until they reach their families. So today, guys, Maja has welcomed me here, and he has already maybe explained for you, and he will also be maybe briefing to me and maybe the reason why we have decided to meet this way, and we shall be able to know henceforward now. Thank you.
Exactly. So guys, Fellow the Boy first.
Hello, Grandma.
Hello, Grandma. Yes. Hello, how are you?
I am fine. I am
And you,
good.
Grandma.
Very well. Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You're fine.
Yes, I'm fine. I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. How are you, fellow?
I'm fine, Mom.
Good. Welcome to our channel.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Maja KE.
Thank you very much for
That is
the welcome.
our family channel.
Thank you. Okay. And we
Because
feel
Maria is there, I'm there, Grandpa is there.
it's like a family.
Yeah.
It's a family, not like it's a family.
Yes, it's a family.
Wow.
So we are very, very,
I'm
very
telling
happy.
Uncle
Yes.
Dan.
Keep on subscribing to all the YouTubers in the village. I am their grandma.
Wow.
You see the white hair, guys.
Yes, and they love me.
Yes.
So
So
much.
if you see this white hair,
Yeah.
it is a blessing.
Yeah, those are the
Yeah.
best things for you.
Yes.
That is a blessing. I'm very happy to have grandchildren
Yes.
while I'm still young and still alive.
Wow.
So
You don't want to get old.
no, I don't want to get old.
Yeah.
Despite the white hair, I'm still young.
Yeah,
still
a
strong
lot,
and
still
yeah.
very strong. I
Yeah.
can work. So
true.
keep on subscribing. Maja KE, Fellow the Boy,
Yeah.
and all Nasto,
All the YouTubers.
Marwas, all the YouTubers
Because
around
there are many
here.
of them.
There
Even
are
if you
many,
start mentioning,
yes,
you cannot
I
finish
cannot
them.
finish them.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm very, very happy.
Wow.
Yeah, keep on subscribing and God bless you. keep on blessing us. We also bless you as we pray for you always.
Exactly.
We are very happy to have you.
Yeah. So your big day is coming in maybe 3 or 4 days,
Yes.
and I can't tell you, but there's a surprise for you,
Wow.
and maybe you can invite maybe now fellow
Wow. It will be
and
very,
some other people who will.
wow. It
Yeah.
will be very
I
happy.
will do it. That is my secret agenda.
Invite him. He's here.
That is
Yeah,
no,
the one who is
Invite.
here,
Yeah.
Yes.
you are invited.
I've already invited
But
because
the others,
Yeah.
it is a secret agenda.
It's a secret
I will
agenda.
choose because I cannot invite them all.
yeah, for
Yeah.
real, for real, for real.
Yes,
And
they
even
are
those
people.
who are watching the video, you know, they know that already we have something, so they can maybe invite themselves
Yes.
without being told.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. No problem. This is a home of
Everyone.
everyone, every YouTuber, everyone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can remember when we started, we had a lot of like
We had a lot
conversation.
of
with-
different
Yeah.
This was like their home.
Yeah, this
So
is
still
like,
is their home.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoever wants to come, you are
Just
invited.
come.
Yeah, just come.
Thank you.
And God bless you.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, when we talked about this thing, I haven't talked about it here right now, but I talked it on my video, the last video,
Yes.
which village grandma was there,
Yes.
and Nasto,
Wow.
and we talked about it at the children's home.
Yeah.
So we were trying to bring like something like a meet and greet. The last time you were there, yes?
Yeah. No, at the orphanage.
No. The meet and greet, the last meet and greet that we did at this hotel around here, Little Home.
Oh, okay. That time I was not around.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but I was aware about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we were trying to say right now, maybe this time round,
Yes.
we can do it at the orphanage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we meet there and greet
Yes.
all the YouTubers.
Yeah.
But if you're not willing to come,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Yeah. For those one who are willing only.
Yeah, those one who are willing,
Yeah.
you can come. And what we sogea Maria kwanza tumalize. Sogea huko kidogo. Yeah. So what I was trying to advocate or trying to say is like the reason why we had that mind at the orphanage is to help the kids over there. I believe you have been there. You have seen the
Been there for
kids.
several times.
Yeah.
There is a boy who is called Pharaoh there.
Yeah, fellow the boy.
Yeah, there's a
Yes.
young boy.
Yeah.
There's
And
a-
Mercy Empire also.
Yeah, and Mercy also she's there.
Yeah.
Actually, that home, I've been there for several times.
Yeah.
And for real, those people, everybody who's there, the kids, they really need help.
Very
Because
much.
those are they are our brothers, they are our sisters.
Yeah.
And you know, they don't have maybe maybe the government will come and maybe come and help them. This is
The government just only bring them.
the government just bring them there.
Yeah.
Imagine,
But
and
the
they don't
community,
assist.
they don't assist them.
Yeah.
But the community now is now to help.
Yeah, exactly.
Now I felt very happy when I saw that
Toka Maria.
at least
Kuja huku.
we had some light after we had also visited there, and also we went there, because when I went there, the pastor Esther told us that you guys, since you have been coming here, the YouTubers from Nyabohansi, including you, us, and everyone, we have opened the doors from different places.
Exactly.
Most of the people from different places, they're just now coming to come and visit the orphanage. So this one can be something that is very great if we can come up, all of us as the YouTubers. Not only these months, but we can just be doing it.
Yeah.
And just agree and decide every month we get something small. We can just raise and put it together, and we
It's
decide.
and also it's not all about money. Anything that you have.
Yeah,
you know?
anything that
you
you
know
have.
when you grow, your clothes also grow.
That's true.
Yeah, so you can have that cloth and say, let me bless someone.
Let me go and bless someone.
Yeah, someone
Because
there.
obviously you'll
Yeah.
get someone who will fit in.
Yeah,
Because
exactly, yes.
Those kids there, we have got those different
Yeah, they are
ages.
big boys.
They're
there.
big boys, big girls,
Yeah.
some medium size. Yeah, so that one can be very big. So anybody who's watching this video, and not only a YouTuber, you can also not, you can
Yeah,
be not,
yeah.
you are not a YouTuber, but you are willing or feeling from your heart to
Contribute or
contribute.
Exactly.
Maybe you are there and you say that, oh, I've got some clothes that they're not fitting me. I can be able to join this group.
Yeah.
Because those people, that is an orphanage.
Yeah.
Everybody is allowed to go there. Everybody is allowed to come and raise or contribute whatever he needs.
Yeah.
Not that we
Anything.
have got the specific people who can be able to go there.
Yeah.
So it was a good idea, Maja, and in fact when you communicated to me about it, I just felt very happy, and I said that let us meet and try to help our brothers and sisters, because people like us, we are just raised in that kind of way,
Yeah,
in
exactly.
orphanage way, and God has helped us to be where we are right now. So if we can decide to do something like that, the blessings that God is planning for us can just be able to plan for us more than that.
Yeah, exactly.
So it will be something great. Mine is just to advise the YouTubers who are watching, and and the other people who are not the YouTubers, and also that we have been included also with our mom here, and also our dad who's around, and all those people whom we call mom and dad. At least they have seen that this is something that is very great, and they can be able also to join us, so that we can be able to head there.
We shall join together.
At least
Yeah.
these people, they can
We
feel,
shall join
we shall join together.
Yes.
At least they can feel that, oh, we are also loved.
Yes.
The way we will be maybe somewhere saying that, oh, at least we are celebrating, having maybe some new clothes, or having some different meal. At least them also, they can just feel like, oh, at least people like Maja, Nasto, Fellow, and all who came to visit us, they have also allowed us at least to feel comfortable, and to feel like at least we are the human beings. So that thing can be just be a very thing.
Even when we went there, they were very, very, very happy.
Yeah, that time.
Because one of them, I don't know that girl if she's one of them, but she told me since morning they have not had
They had not,
porridge.
yes,
So when they saw the bread and sodas,
yes.
they were very,
They were more
very
excited.
happy. Yes.
Wow, but that one, that is, you know, we have got a population of people there.
Yeah.
Kids, there are many of them a bit. So, you know, during those times that we used to go there, sometimes you will find we are buying even sacks of maize.
Yeah,
sacks
yeah.
of maize, we take
I
it
remember
there.
also we took sacks of maize, I think 6 sacks of maize
Yeah,
to them, me and Nasto,
Yes.
and also Mabere and everyone.
yes.
And also, I think the first time I was there, I really can't remember what I took there.
But I just watched the video.
Yeah.
You went there with
Mercy.
Mercy, with a vehicle with some mattresses. You had
No,
some
that
beds, some
that was
food.
not the first time.
That was the second time.
That was
The first time is the one that you went with even Rocio.
no. I was the first one to be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went me and Nasto.
Okay.
Yeah, only me and Nasto. The second time, me and Sergio and Nasto.
Okay.
The third time, I think now I saw you.
Yeah.
You went also. You
We
know,
were
guys. These videos, when
Yes.
you watch, they inspire you and you do
That's
something
true.
else. Yeah.
For real.
So you are inspired from a
From different-
video,
from another video that you have watched.
Yeah, yeah,
And
exactly.
you feel like you can just go
yeah,
and also say hi to
exactly.
them.
And I was really happy and proud that you went there.
Yeah.
You did a lot.
Yes.
And now people started helping us,
Yeah.
helping the children around there, you know. Yeah, so everything was now amazing. And we really want to help the children.
Yes.
Yeah, we really want to help them, and in any way, not even in maybe
No,
money wise.
anyway, any
Even
kind
if
of,
you have,
any kind of material, like
Yeah.
not even money, the way you have said.
yeah,
You can just come up with anything.
Anything, yeah. Mhm.
Even food. You can say
Yeah.
that maybe let me take like maybe 20 gorogoros,
Yeah.
or 20 kgs or 40 kgs. I go and maybe I give them. We have got some people who will say that I don't have clothes, but I have maybe I've got some maybe potatoes. I've got some things that I can just be able to go there and deliver
Exactly, yes.
with you. Because if we can be in a group of around 10 people or
Yeah.
20 people, then everybody say that at least I have got this one, I have got this one, I have this one. You'll find that at the end of the day, all of us, we have just came up with something that will just be and make them happy, and at least will make sense to those kids that who are there with us. So it will be very, very, very grateful. And guys, to meet here now today, it was about me. Now we arrange also, we see
Yeah.
how we can be able to operate that, because for operating something like that, we need a communication in a group.
in
Of
a
which
group.
it will work. It will work before that date. That date.
Yeah.
And maybe if you are
Exactly,
watching.
I think
Yeah.
we have to work on it before
25th.
25th.
Yeah.
So we have only
23rd,
two.
That's
2
Saturday
days.
and Sunday.
We have only 2 days.
2 days.
Tomorrow is on Friday.
Tomorrow is on Friday.
So we have only Saturday.
On Saturday, and then at least those one who will be. We are sorry for being late to alert people very early.
Yeah.
But if you posted in that group of Marwa.
Mara Offsprings. You can see the message there, guys.
Yeah.
I said we will communicate as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And that's what we want to do, me and Fellow the boy.
Yes.
And also Nasto was supposed to be here.
Yeah.
So that we can organize. It can be very fast, because it's not something that we really need money or a lot of money.
No.
We only need like whatever you have.
Anything.
If you have money, yes, you can give. If you have clothes for the kids or someone who is grown up, you can give. If you have maybe a sack of maize, you can give. You see?
But if you have
Fruits,
money, you can buy something like you feel like.
Exactly. Yes.
This money that I have can be able maybe to come up with something.
Yeah.
That will be able to help them, because sometimes, you know, even if you say that you are taking their money,
Yeah.
you'll find that the money even that you have given her,
Yeah, they will not.
maybe it will not be enough maybe to buy
Exactly.
something that she wants.
Exactly.
But at least if you say that this 1,000, if I go and maybe have even some, maybe 20 kgs of, 10 kgs of rice, it will be
soap.
or even soap, or even milk, or even anything.
Exactly.
But
Yes.
you know, mostly the main things that they are being needed in orphanage, mostly it is food.
Yeah, food.
Food is very, very urgently needed there, because anytime they need food. Yeah. So we can consider that, and also clothing. We have also included clothing and food, because shelter they have it. They have already houses there.
Yeah.
Things like education, when time comes, God will open the doors. And everything will work in a God's way.
Yeah, exactly. You know, even I think if you saw the last video, we took there some clothes. I think.
I watched the video.
Yeah.
Not even after it is like past 4 days.
Not 4
4 to
days.
5 days, like.
It was 1 day.
1 day, because you
2
were
days.
there.
2
2
days.
days since you were there.
2 days ago.
I saw that video.
Yeah, 2 days ago.
Yes.
We took some clothes. Not some clothes. The sodas. Bread.
So
and,
some drinks and breads.
Yeah. And the last time I was there, also I took some clothes.
Okay.
Some clothes for them, and it was amazing. Thank you to Mel.
Yeah.
God bless you abundantly.
Wow.
Yeah. God bless and give you even more. Yeah, we took the clothes there. I think some got, some didn't get. You know.
Yeah, they can't get all of them. There are many.
Yeah.
There are really many.
Yeah, but I believe
those one who can meet. But I remember when I took their clothes, at least almost everyone got the clothes. The clothes that were delivered from US to this place. Yeah, the kids got it. The small one, the big size, because they were mixed. They were mixed in sizes. The clothes.
Yeah, exactly.
And at least we can say that in terms of clothing, at least they have been catered for mostly.
Yeah.
So now food.
Now we need food.
Yeah, they need now food, because I know even right now, even if they planted maybe some maize, they have not even harvested it. They are now maybe still because there's a time they planted maize and they harvested a lot of sacks, and they appreciated that you guys, you helped us. We harvested more than 30 bags. You know, the good thing is that they have land. They have got a big land. Yeah, to plant. Yeah. So, and they have got the laborer working now. Those kids, they normally work on, they are like weeding, applying some fertilizer. They can just do their own. Yeah. So what they need is just maybe seeds, and maybe seeds and fertilizer. Yeah. Exactly. So when they get seeds and fertilizer, they can be able to get food. If they harvest even like 30 bags, 30 bags can even move them, can even be able to help them now to a certain period of time. Yeah.
And I also think of also another idea.
Yes.
We can also, the group which will be here helping us, maybe being there, greet and meet, and also help the children's home.
Yeah.
We can plan even every I think every Saturday.
Yes.
If you're not busy, we can go there, help the children maybe to
Some
clean
some-
the
yeah.
clean the
just
compound,
just
to weed.
the manual work.
Manual work.
Yeah, manual
What do you
work
think
there.
about that?
That one is very okay, and something good is that we have got the motorbikes.
Yeah.
We have got some vehicles. We can decide and
Vehicles,
say,
yeah.
let us fuel this vehicle. We go there, we spend maybe some 4 hours or 3 hours there.
Exactly.
At least we can just say and today that everybody to buy a slasher or a panga. We go there and start cleaning. Another day we
Not
stay-
even to buy.
Yeah.
We have
we
slashers
have this
from
the
families.
We have them, the families.
I believe Fellow, you
yeah,
have.
I have it.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, so
we have.
we can decide and go with it.
Yeah.
Another day we can decide that today let us have some cabbage and some rice, maybe some 25 kg.
We go and
We-
cook.
We come and take our sisters and we say that let us go there. At least we go and share meal with them. Even they feel like so even people they can eat with us also. So with that one we can decide and do maybe like each and every weekend. The little that we get. And I believe that the advantage with this place, guys, is that rice is not expensive.
Yeah.
Mostly in our part in Tanzania. If you have got like 2,000 or 3,000, you can get a lot of rice that can even to serve them like 3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
Yeah. But at least when they see us that we are there with them and they are enjoying the meal, they'll feel very happy. So the idea of being there like every weekend and Saturday, I support it also.
Yeah.
It is also a great idea.
Yeah. So you guys who are watching us, kindly tell us down the comment section if this is a good idea or for me I think it's the best idea.
Yes.
Yeah, because also it encourages other people out there.
Yes.
I saw also another, I always watch her on Instagram. I Moi something from Nairobi.
Yes.
She's a lady who lives with a lot of children's orphans.
Okay, yeah.
And she's really doing amazing work because she's also supported so much, and she has the good thing, she has the ladies and gentlemen, they are talented, they are dancers.
Yes,
so they do dances, they do like they perform,
They hire them in the functions,
in functions.
Yes.
So I think also that should be reflected also here in our village. Here in our village, people don't believe in talent.
That's
People
true.
don't believe in like.
That's true. They don't believe in it.
Yeah, people believe like you should be a teacher, so that people should respect you, or a policeman,
Maybe a politician,
or a
maybe a
politician. Yeah, but really the perspective is really changing because of us. Because even like Fellow, when you see Fellow, he grew from
from
like
a low
scratch.
background family.
Yeah, to now Fellow the
And
boy.
to where I am.
Maja grew from this place. That place, mud house.
Yeah.
And I remember there's some time when our house was pulled out. The
The blowing
mabati-
of the wind,
yeah,
were
the
just
wind.
blown away.
Yeah, and we were only me and my mom inside the house.
Wow.
Here, mud house. But
Okay.
now, God blessed ours, and now
least
we are
now
here.
the
At
life
least
has
now,
changed.
yeah, at least.
So if the life has changed, at least now we can also try and change other people's
other
life.
people's life.
That's true.
Yeah, exactly. And when you change other people's life, your life also,
Your life also
even
changes.
if you see it's not changing,
Yeah.
but God knows the reason why, and He knows what He has changed in you, and you don't know.
And you don't know. For
And
you.
you don't know.
That's
Yeah.
a good idea.
Yeah, exactly. So let's help where we can, and let's be together and support each other in any way that you can, and advise each other in a good way. Let's push our village to top notch.
We want this village to be, we have known in just vlogging, like working with the cameras and doing videos. But we want at least to make Nyabwanzi to be very great, Nyabwanzi to the world.
Yeah.
If we can be able to do something like we want to start like this one, it can just be something like a good idea, because we will be working as a group.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
if there is something that people will be happy with, it is that to see Nyabwanzi has been united as a group, and this group is not all about maybe visiting each other homes or whatever, but this group is
Let's have a walk.
we
fellows.
can have a walk, because we have just been at one place.
Yeah.
So you can find that this joining that we have, like we have decided to be together.
Yeah.
This is something that will be very great in the world, because we will be trying to share our ideas that we have to different places, like in the orphanage, like that one. We can, so guys, we can have the sometimes we can decide, and we say that let us have this something that we have, we go and take to this family, and we decide that at least another time now we can also go and also check on another orphanage now, you see. Because we have got different orphanages. We have got different orphanages around. There's a place called Mabera, where most of the time we normally have a local market. That is another place that we have it. We have got that place that we normally go. But the most place that really need help is that place of at Pastor Esther there. We call it Kohego, that place. That's a place that really needs help. So this is something that is a great idea, and I thank you, my brother, for calling me and raising this kind of a good thing that will be able to bring people together. And also in terms of bringing people together, we are going to have some repercussions that will be able to bring other people who will be willing to come and join. And something good is that these people right now, they have got also a YouTube channel. There is a YouTube channel that they created. I think it's Noah's bought something there. I think the link, maybe I will tell my brother to put the link there. Noah's bought Children's Home, if I'm not wrong. So you can go and follow these people and subscribe on their YouTube channel. And also you can advise them what they can be able to do also in that YouTube channel, because that YouTube channel that they have right now, at least it is helping them to reach different people in the world, and they can be able also to communicate to you about anything that is going on there. So that is something that will be very great, and we'll be appreciating about it. I was telling them that that orphanage right now, something that we are good with it is that they have got a YouTube channel.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and this YouTube channel, at least it can just be able now to make them to communicate now to people.
Yeah, exactly.
And the subscribers.
Yeah, and also to get information from there.
Yeah.
Like what they are going through.
Yeah.
And what they need.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah.
So having a YouTube channel for them.
Yeah.
Was a very good idea, because we can really now get to know what they need at this time, at this point. You know. So it's a good thing. Go subscribe to them, guys, and get to know what they will need. It's not a must that it must be a big thing.
No,
you know, if the only thing that I know, if you are together like 30 people, and a fellow brings maybe one jacket,
that's
and,
true. Another one to bring out some clothes, some dress, maybe some shorts, some trousers.
30 of them are so many.
Yes.
You know, also something I thought, like being alone, supporting the orphanage, it's a very big task.
That's true.
But when you are together,
you can do something that is very big.
Very big.
Yeah. Because those kids, they are a large number. Yeah. So when you are alone, sometimes you can find maybe a little bit difficult. But when you are in a group, at least you come together, you take something that is reasonable there. You find that at least everybody has got. You know, it feels very bad when others get and others do not get.
But I'm really happy that the last time we were there, 2 days ago, they were so happy because everyone got
at least something.
Every person who's there.
Okay.
And we were so happy.
Yeah.
And we are happy to be there. You know, you get blessings from anywhere. You know, if you're privileged to get maybe supper or lunch or breakfast, like, you really need to thank the Almighty. You know, when you go there, sometimes maybe the food is not enough. You know. If you get enough food, that's a blessing, and the Almighty is good to you. So why not share?
At least you can share it.
Yeah, and be good to other people. God will bless you.
Yeah.
You know, your blessings will not come in like maybe now God has blessed you because you blessed someone. Now God has blessed you with a mansion or a car
No,
or everything.
no.
God will bless you in a
From what you do.
from what you do
to
in a
other
different
people.
way.
Yeah, in a different way.
You
Yes.
can be poor, but God has blessed you with something that is very special
Yeah,
in you.
for real.
So you don't have to bless someone to be to see your blessings like you have a mansion or whatever.
Wow.
No. Just
No.
bless someone from your heart.
Anything,
And,
anything, be it small. There is no small blessings and big blessings.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything that you have is a blessing, because that is something that you have from your heart. Because if you have got big, you give out big. You have got some people, if you have been watching maybe in some of the churches, big churches, you find that somebody is even bringing a car to a pastor. Another one is bringing even maybe some eggs. But all of them, at least from their heart,
Yeah,
they have given
same blessing.
the same blessings are just the blessings.
Yeah.
So that is it, guys. It's a very good idea. And we will be updating you, I think maybe by tomorrow, or I think we have got tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Only tomorrow we are supposed to update you now on what we have came up through. And also I'm very happy that maybe some of the subscribers, maybe they will also join us. Maybe they will say that I'm with you, I will support you this way and this way. At least you guys, you can go and visit those people, because all of our visits that we have been making there, it is because of subscribers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.
every time
and
I remember,
we really are
appreciate.
thankful for you guys.
Yeah,
you have really been there for us, because you have supported people who don't have parents over there.
Yes.
They could have been street kids, but now they have a home. They live in like a family, brothers, sisters. And we are here to help them. We will be, I always say, positive vibes.
Always.
Positive vibes all the way.
Yeah,
all the way. And we will always be positive and help who is doing a genuine work.
Wow. That's very good.
Exactly. So
okay, guys, so thank you very much. Let Maja now finish the video. As we have promised that we are going to update you on what will be going on. And from here, we are now going to discuss about how we are going to conduct now each other within, because we have got people, they are willing, they are really willing from their heart. We are going to try to reach others who will be also willing to be part of us, because we don't want others to say, you guys, you did not tell me. That's why we are just doing this one in public, this video, update you guys.
And we are not forcing anyone. This
is just voluntarily from your heart.
We are not forcing anyone. That is, if you are willing to be there, guys, kindly, when we update, be there. And let's do a greet and meet at the children's home, that is Noah's boat, if you agree. Sorry, Nasto didn't make it here, he was busy, but he's aware. We talked about it, me and Nasto, and I told Fellow the boy. So we are going to create also a group, maybe today, from Fellow.
You can call it Greet and Meet, maybe Greet and Meet. But this one, with the name, we can now decide all of us together. Maybe Nasto, me and you, on which kind of the name that we are going to use. But it will have something like Noah's.
We just say Greet and Meet at Noah's boat.
Noah's boat. That will be a very nice title for the group that we are going to create. And if you feel that you need to be added, let us know. We can just add you, because we don't want to add someone who is not without permission, or without maybe consent, that somebody will say, oh, you didn't ask me. But if you feel like you can be added, you can say, oh, just add me in that group. I can see on what I can be able to do. And also something good is that that orphanage has got also their phone number. I remember when I was there, we posted their number, and some people, they were sending also money direct to them. Something that I felt very good from my heart, because it could be very easy for them now, for the mom pastor to control now anything small that they get, and that is very great. So thank you very much, Maja, for this moment, and may God bless you.
Thank you so much. The last thing I want to say is, like, we are not inviting only the people in the village, or YouTubers, anyone. If you're not a YouTuber, if you're a YouTuber, if you're
anybody who's willing,
anybody from anywhere
in the world,
Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu,
all
Uganda,
places.
USA, you are really welcome to join us in this meet and greet. May it be online or one-on-one or live. You are really welcome, and we really appreciate.
Yes.
And I want to say God bless you abundantly, peace and love, fellow.
Thank
God
you very
bless
much,
for
bro.
coming.
Thank you, and God bless you too.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
So guys, I want to say thank you so much, peace and love. Until our next video, guys. Let me see you on the next video, which will be meet and greet. Yeah, peace and love.